name is Jerry Korb. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Port Industries, Elmira, Missouri. We employ about 50 people. We're what I consider a small manufacturing company. We make large equipment for farm tiling and other type of uses for trenching equipment. So it's big equipment manufacturing. When I joined the company, we were insured by Anthem, Bluecross Blue Shield. And every year at renewal time, we looked at either high single digit or double digit price increases. So consequently, several times during the period from when I joined in 99 up through 2009, we would have to make adjustments to our plan. Increasing deductibles, increasing out-of-pockets, or increasing the share that our employees paid. It got to the point with our fully insured carrier that we were looking at running the business just to pay for health insurance because the costs were going up that quickly. So in 2009, decided enough is enough. I remember that a couple of years prior to that, I'd gone to a seminar in Quincy, Illinois, that was put on by ECC, HIC, and Howard Danzig was there. So after reviewing the plan that Howard put together for us, we said, okay, let's go. We're going to sign up, and we did. So that started in 2010. And we kept the budget. Howard says use the 2009 spending as your budget. And we did that. We set our budget at our 2009 rates, and we have been able to keep our budget the same since then. In addition to that, the premiums for our employees have not changed. We lowered our deductible a small amount, about 10% through that period of time. So overall, our costs for our employees has remained the same. Their benefits have improved a little bit, and we continue to garner a surplus in our budget. ECC's been good to work with. There's lots of support there. There's a little more administrative work on our part. We're analyzing EOBs, we are paying bills, we're writing checks to physicians and pharmacy benefit manager and hospitals and that sort of thing. But all in all, it's a very small price to pay for the benefits we've received. Well, my advice to any manufacturer or other company that's looking to improve their healthcare costs would be to give Howard a call. Let ECC show you what your potential is. The other piece of advice I'd give them is give me a call. I'd be more than happy to talk to you about our experience.